Can you use acrylic powder as dip powder? Have you ever wondered if the acrylic powder sitting in your DIY nail kit can be used for dip nails? It's time to uncover the truth behind this beauty hack and find out if these two products are truly interchangeable for flawless results at home. Acrylic and dip powders might look similar, but they're designed for different purposes. Acrylic powder is traditionally paired with liquid monomer, while dip powder uses adhesive resin for application. Each product caters to a distinct technique, but does this mean one can replace the other? Let's find out. Good news! It's possible to use acrylic powder in a dip system. While dip powder often has finer particles for smoother layering, most acrylic powders can be adapted. The key is partnering it with a strong base coat and activator to achieve a durable hold and professional finish. To try this, start by prepping your nails as usual. Clean, buff, and apply a base coat. Dip your nails into the acrylic powder, then tap off the excess. Apply an activator to solidify the powder and repeat for layering. Finish with a top coat for a glossy, protective seal. Keep in mind that acrylic powder may not offer the same ease of application or smoothness as actual dip powder. It's best for experienced DIYers or those up for a fun experiment. Always test on one nail first and ensure proper ventilation for safe application practices. Ready to give this beauty hack a try? Grab your nail kit and experiment with using acrylic powder as dip powder. Share your results in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative DIY nail tutorials. Let's nail it together.